In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Bluetooth on your Windows 10 device in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in and make this process super simple for you. First, we'll start by heading over to the Start menu. You can do this by clicking on the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up a list of applications and options for you, providing the gateway to accessing your system settings. Once you've opened the Start menu, your next step is to click on the Settings icon. This icon typically looks like a little gear, and it's where you can tweak various settings on your computer, including Bluetooth. It's key to remember that this section allows you to personalize many aspects of your system, so it's always worth exploring other settings if you have the time. Upon clicking settings, a new window pops up with a range of categories. Here, we want to navigate to the devices section. This is your one-stop shop for managing all the devices connected to your computer, including printers, displays, and in our case today, Bluetooth devices. Now within the devices window, you'll find an option on the left sidebar labeled Bluetooth and other devices. Click on it and you're almost there. This section allows you to see all the Bluetooth devices that are currently paired with your system and manage connections. Here, you'll see the option to turn Bluetooth on or off. If it's off, go ahead and click the toggle switch to turn it on. When the switch turns blue, Bluetooth is enabled on your computer. This action allows your computer to start scanning for any nearby devices that are Bluetooth enabled and within range. Keep in mind that these steps can be performed on both laptops and desktops, as long as the hardware supports Bluetooth connectivity. Not all PCs come with built-in Bluetooth capability, so it's important to verify if your device supports it. If you want to add other Bluetooth devices, look for the plus icon that says Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Click on it and a window will pop up where you should choose Bluetooth. This prompts your computer to look for nearby discoverable devices. Make sure your other device, whether it's a speaker, a set of headphones, or another gadget, is in pairing mode so it can be detected. When everything is set, your computer will list all the available devices nearby. Simply click on the device you want to pair, confirm any prompts that may appear, and you're done. With these steps, you've successfully turned on and configured Bluetooth on your Windows 10 machine. Keep exploring and enjoy the freedom of wireless connectivity.